How to transfer money from Chime Credit Builder Card to Cash App. So in this video, I'll show you step by step on how to transfer money from Chime Bank to Cash App. So first of all, now open up now your Cash App like this now. So after you open your Cash App like this now, tap on your profile at the top right side. After you tap on your profile, scroll to down and tap on this link bank. So after you tap on this link bank, tap on this link debit card. Scroll to down and tap on this debit card. So tap on option. So from this option it says link card. So tap on the link card and add in your Cash App card information. So after you add in your card information, now successful, now tap on your home button. So after you finish adding your card, just tap on the home button of your Cash App. So after you tap on the home button like this now, scroll to down as you can see now. From there you can be able to see the add cash button at the top right side. So after you tap on the add cash button, from there now as you can see now, it will allow you to specify the amount that you want to transfer from your Chime Bank to your Cash App. That's it guys on how to transfer money from Chime Bank, from Chime to Cash App. Hope this video helps. Please like and subscribe.